I love how affordable and accessible mattresses have become. That was not always the case, but now, especially with this mattress that's very well made, you can just have it delivered to your door in a box and set it up in your home with no hassle and get better night's sleep. This particular one is very comfortable. It is a hybrid mattress, so it is a mix of memory foam and springs, and it is only one-sided, but it is definitely very soft and bouncy, and it was really easy to set up. Like I said, it comes in a box. You just remove it and then you take off the plastic. They even include this little blade that you can use so that you make sure that you don't cut the mattress itself. And then you unroll it completely, and the second time you cut it open, it just instantly inflates. And then it takes 48 to 72 hours to fully inflate. I have it in the queen size and it is 12 inches. And it's definitely very comfortable. This fabric on top is super soft, and it's just all around well made, so we've been very happy with it.